Slide 1 start. What if the number 7 was always emerald green? What if Mozart's Symphony number 40 painted crimson swirls in your vision? Welcome to the fascinating world of synesthesia, where the boundaries between our senses dissolve into an extraordinary tapestry of interconnected experiences. Synesthesia, from the Greek words syn, meaning together, and aisthesis, meaning sensation, is a neurological trait where stimulation of one sensory pathway automatically triggers experiences in another sensory pathway. It's not a disorder, but rather a remarkable variation in human perception that affects roughly 4% of the population. In the intricate landscape of our brains, synesthetes experience something truly extraordinary. Their neural pathways create bridges between sensory regions that most of us keep separate. Imagine highways of perception, where traffic flows freely between different exits of experience. The most common form is grapheme color synesthesia, where letters or numbers trigger specific color experiences. For someone with this type, the letter A might always appear scarlet red, while 5 radiates a steady golden glow, not just imagined, but actually perceived. Then there's chromesthesia, where sounds paint colors in the mind's eye. A door closing might flash navy blue, while a violin solo streams ribbons of silver and gold. Each synesthete's experiences are uniquely their own, consistent over time like a personal sensory fingerprint. Perhaps most intriguing is lexical gustatory synesthesia, where words have distinct tastes. The word door might taste like ripe strawberries, while physics could trigger the taste of dark chocolate. These associations remain stable throughout their lives. Mirror touch synesthetes experience physical sensations when they observe others being touched. When they see someone being hugged, they feel the embrace themselves, a remarkable example of heightened empathetic response through sensory cross-wiring. The phenomenon of spatial sequence synesthesia transforms abstract concepts like time into physical space. Months, years, or numbers might appear in specific three-dimensional arrangements around the person's body. History's creative landscape is dotted with famous synesthetes. Vladimir Nabokov saw letters in distinct colors. Wassily Kandinsky painted music. Physicist Richard Feynman associated mathematical equations with colors. Modern neuroscience has revealed fascinating insights into the synesthetic brain. fMRI studies show increased connectivity between sensory processing regions. When a synesthete sees a number, both visual and color processing areas light up simultaneously. Genetic research suggests synesthesia runs in families, with several identified genetic markers. The trait appears to be linked to enhanced memory and creativity, suggesting possible evolutionary advantages. Developmental studies indicate that all infants might initially experience synesthetic perceptions. As our brains mature, most of us prune these cross-sensory connections, while synesthetes retain them. The implications of synesthesia extend far beyond mere curiosity. Understanding how synesthetes process multiple sensory inputs simultaneously could revolutionize our approach to learning, creativity, and even artificial intelligence. Research continues to uncover new forms of synesthesia. Some people taste shapes, others feel time physically moving around them. Each discovery opens new windows into the potential of human perception. As we conclude our journey through the world of mixed senses, consider this. Synesthesia reminds us that reality is not fixed, but rather a construction of our remarkable brains. What other perceptual wonders might still await discovery? Thank you for exploring this fascinating phenomenon with me. Until next time, perhaps you'll start wondering, what color is your name? What does Tuesday taste like? How does gravity sound?